The first question that comes in the mind is what is Flutter? So Flutter is an open source UI software development kit created by Google, and it is used to develop applications for multiple platforms. Now to grab it more clearly, let's understand the difference between native and hybrid app development. To understand this, let's consider a scenario that there is an iOS developer and he developed an iOS app and published it into App Store. Now what if he wants the same app to be available on Android platform? He would have to learn a new technology, this Android app development, a new programming language and more. And after that only he would be able to develop the same application for Android platform. Also, he has to manage the interface of the app across different screen sizes for different devices. Now in future, if he is required to make some changes into the app or he wants to add a new functionality, he would have to manage two separate code base instead of one. And the number of code base increases as the number of platform increases. So as a developer, there would be lot of work he had to manage to make even a small change into the app. This is what called as native app development, means create app for single platform or create different version of the app for different platform. Now what if we can create something or some tool which allows the developer to design beautiful interface for all sort of devices and which can deploy the application for multiple platforms with single code base. This is what called as hybrid development, and this is exactly what Flutter is. It is simply a toolkit that allows developer to design beautiful interface for all sort of screen size and devices. And it comes with a whole bunch of pre-built widgets which helps in laying out your app with rows, columns, stacks and others. And Flutter doesn't end up here. If there is not any pre-built widget that fulfills your requirement, you can even create your own widget or make some changes into the existing widgets because Flutter is open source. So you can use the pre-built widgets or create your own to design and develop the application for almost any device with single code base, which when compiled will be converted into native ARM code and which can use the GPU and access platforms APIs and services, giving you the feeling like it is a native app. So you as a developer have to just maintain single code base and the application would be deployed into multiple platforms. This is what is Flutter